Hello everyone. Let's bring our focus back to traversal. And firstly, we will talk about pre-order. So, start with our algorithm. In our first step, we will create a variable called data. That will be an array to store the value of the nodes visited. Then we will create a helper function which accepts a node. And this helper function will actually perform recursive task for us. Firstly, we will push the value of node to the data variable that stores the value. Then, if node has a left property, we will call the helper function again with the left property on the node. And if the node has a right property, then we will again call the helper function with the right property on the node. With this thing, our helper function will perform recursive task for us. And once that is ready, we will invoke our helper function with a current variable that will be root for us in the beginning. And there we will return the array of the value and we are done. Once this is done, let's try to write our code in Visual Studio. Here we have already implemented some method in our binary search tree, and there below search we will write our pre-order. Inside pre-order, our code will be written. As per our pseudocode, it is saying create a variable array to store the value of the nodes visited. So we will create let data is equal to blank in the beginning. After that, write a helper function which accepts a node. So we will write function, name will be traverse verse, and there it will accept a node. Inside that, it is saying push the value of the node to the data variable stores the value. So we will write data dot push and the value will be node dot value. So actually we are inserting our root node. After that, if node has a left property, call the helper function with the left property on the node. So we will go down and there we will check if our node dot left is having some value. So we will actually call our helper function again, traverse with left property. And for the right node also the same thing, node dot right, and there we will write traverse and then node dot right. And our helper function 3 steps are done. Then we will call helper function with the current variable that will be the root node in the beginning. So we will go out of the helper function and there we will call our helper function with root node. Once that is done, we will simply return the array of value. There we will return our array that will be data. Once that is done, we will call our pre-order. So we will write here tree dot pre-order and we are done. To see things on my console window, I will wrap up this statement inside console.log. Once that is done, we can have a look at the browser. Here we are able to see 8, 4 and 10. This is not our actual tree, so we will go there and see that. We want our this tree 8, 4, 10 and then 1, 6 and then we can compare. So we will go to our code 8, 4, 10 and then 1 and 6. Tree dot insert 1 and then tree dot insert 6. So output should be 8, 4, 1, 6, 10. 8, 4, 1, 6, 10. That is perfectly correct. So in this, our pre-order is completely right. Once our pre-order is done, in order and post order, the things are very easy and very simple. Just we need to swap the order. So here, in case of pre-order, root was coming first, but in order, root will come in the middle. So let's change the order. So here root will come in the middle. So control X, it will go in the middle and we will change the name of the function from pre-order to in order. And same way we will go down, change the name of the function from pre-order to in order. And once we will have the look on the browser 146810, that is also perfectly alright. After that, in post order, the root will come at the end, at the last. So here we will go up. Here we will copy our root node and we will paste it after left and right node. And then we will change name of the function from in order to post order. Once this is done, our things are done. In the browser, we are able to see 16410 and 8. So 16410 and 8, that is perfectly right. So in this way, we have covered pre-order, in-order and post-order. And for algorithm also, the things are exactly same. Just our root node is changing. In case of pre-order, the first step push will come as a first. Then in case of in-order, push step will come as a second. And in post-order, our push value of the node will come as the last. So in this way, it is working and things are far easy. With this, we will sum up this video tutorial. But yes, in our next video tutorial, we will talk about breadth first search. So let's meet there. Thank you very much.